Neuromorphic computers are a type of computing system that attempts to mimic the structure and function of the human brain. These systems use parallel computing architectures to simulate the neural networks found in the brain, allowing them to process and analyze large amounts of data with a level of efficiency and accuracy that traditional computers cannot match. In this video, we will discuss how neuromorphic computers work, provide an example of neuromorphic computing, and explore the potential applications and benefits of this technology. How does the brain store and process information? The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in the body. It is responsible for a wide range of functions, including sensory processing, motor control, language, memory, and emotion. At the heart of these functions is the brain's ability to store and process information. The brain stores information in a network of interconnected neurons. Neurons are specialized cells that are capable of transmitting electrical and chemical signals. They communicate with each other through connections called synapses. When a neuron receives a signal, it produces an electrical impulse that travels down its axon and stimulates the release of neurotransmitters at the synapse. These neurotransmitters bind to receptors on the receiving neuron, causing it to produce its own electrical impulse and transmit the signal to other neurons in the network. This process of communication between neurons is known as neural processing. Neural processing is highly complex and involves the integration of information from multiple sources. For example, when we see an object, information from our eyes is transmitted to the visual cortex, where it is processed and combined with information from other parts of the brain to create a meaningful perception of the object. The brain also stores information through a process known as synaptic plasticity. Synaptic plasticity refers to the ability of synapses to change in response to experience. When a synapse is repeatedly activated, its strength can be increased or decreased, which can change the way information is processed in the network. This process of synaptic plasticity is thought to underlie learning and memory. There are several different types of memory in the brain. Short-term memory is the ability to hold information in our minds for a short period of time, such as remembering a phone number long enough to dial it. Long-term memory, on the other hand, is the ability to store information for a longer period of time, such as remembering events from our childhood. Long-term memory is thought to involve changes in the strength and connectivity of synapses, which allow information to be stored and retrieved over time. How do neuromorphic computers work? Neuromorphic computers are designed to emulate the biological processes of the human brain. This is achieved by using parallel computing architectures that are made up of large numbers of interconnected nodes or neurons. These neurons are capable of processing information in a way that is similar to the way that biological neurons process information. Each neuron is connected to other neurons via synapses, which are used to transmit information from one neuron to another. Neuromorphic computers also use a technique called spiking, which involves sending information in the form of electrical pulses that simulate the firing of neurons in the brain. By using these techniques, neuromorphic computers can process and analyze large amounts of data in a highly parallel and efficient manner, allowing them to perform tasks that traditional computers cannot. What is an example of neuromorphic computing? One example of neuromorphic computing is the Spinnaker system, which was developed by researchers at the University of Manchester in the United Kingdom. The Spinnaker system is a massively parallel computing platform that is designed to simulate the workings of the human brain. It consists of a large number of interconnected nodes that are capable of simulating the behavior of millions of neurons in real time. The Spinnaker system is used for a wide range of applications, including robotics, artificial intelligence, and neuroscience research. It has been used to simulate the behavior of networks of neurons in the brain, and to study the effects of various drugs and other substances on neural activity. It has also been used to develop new algorithms for machine learning and other applications. What is neuromorphic computing good for? Neuromorphic computing has a wide range of potential applications and benefits. One of the most promising areas of application is in the field of artificial intelligence, where neuromorphic computers could be used to develop more advanced and efficient machine learning algorithms. This could lead to significant improvements in areas such as speech recognition, image processing, and natural language processing. Neuromorphic computing could also be used to develop more advanced robotics systems by allowing robots to process and analyze sensory information in a way that is more similar to the way that humans do. This could lead to robots that are better able to navigate complex environments, interact with humans more effectively, and perform a wider range of tasks. Another potential application of neuromorphic computing is in the field of neuroscience research. By simulating the behavior of neural networks in the brain, researchers could gain new insights into how the brain works and how it processes and analyzes information. This could lead to new treatments for neurological disorders and other conditions that affect the brain. In conclusion, neuromorphic computing is a promising area of research that has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of fields, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and neuroscience. By emulating the structure and function of the human brain, neuromorphic computers offer a level of processing power and efficiency that traditional computers cannot match. As this technology continues to develop, we can expect to see new applications and benefits emerge, which could have a profound impact on the way we live and work. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.